Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, we are just going to do a quick analysis on what we'll be expecting this week on AUD USD. So, let's start with the trend first. You can see that our overall trend on AUD USD is literally on a downtrend. This movement, I think, was from the year 2021 to 2022 to 2023 to 2024. Now 2025 market, our full trend is still on a downtrend move. So overall trend on our weekly time frame is on a downtrend move. Now let's see what this daily time frame is doing. We all know that market tends to give us three movements, which is an uptrend move. I want you guys to understand something, which is an uptrend move. Market also tends to give us a downtrend move, and sometimes market tends to give us a sideways movement, which is a ranging market move, right? So what is market currently doing here on daily time frame? You clearly can see that we are having a sideways movement here. So market is ranging within this level. So at first market came, tap this our resistance level here. It eventually dropped to tap this our support level. Then market again eventually came back to tap this our resistance level, and here we had this drop that came to tap this our support level. Market eventually came up again to tap this our resistance level, and it's dropped to tap this our support level. Now market has eventually come back to tap this our resistance level. You can see that we are now currently at the resistance level. So this week we should be expecting a sell. So this week, coupled with the fact that there is going to be NFP, so it will be crazy week this week. So by the way, our next movement and our next setup is to the downside. So be very, very careful, guys. So this is what I'm seeing right here. So possibly if market can break this low here, we will be expecting a pullback and then a continuous movement downside. So if it does not break this low, I don't think it will start dropping until it's actually drop, because yes, there's possibility that liquidity will want to play out, whereby markets will want to push up to deceive a lot of traders that it will continue to trend upside, then eventually a sell will come out, taking out a lot of traders. So be very, very careful at this lane. Be very careful. Do not buy at this lane. This is not the best time to buy. The buy should be around here, which it has gone already, or the buy would have been around this support level, which it has played out. So do not look to buy at this resistance level. It's, in short, be looking for your sell setup. Once you get this sell setup, go ahead and sell. So stay updated, follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.